Okay, we are in Louisville, Colorado. This fine Saturday morning, I got the dash cam going today. So we're gonna do a few videos around here. First one being at this Conoco gas station. According to Street View, it has what's a stop sign? Has a classic SoftGloss Maxx, not a Maxx 5. Which these older ones are nowhere near as common as they used to be like 10 minutes ago. There it is. The thing is, I've only filmed a few of these older ones, and even around my area, there's not that many of them left. The pay station's too far away, of course. Like, it's literally not up to the curb. I'm going to have to pull forward and then back out a little bit just so I can be a little bit more straight. Yep. Well, that's probably... Sorry. It's just because I took such a tight turn to get in here. I'm trying to see how close I can get. Okay, there's the curb. Well, okay, this will work. Okay, the sun is really bad, so we'll get thumbnails off the camera today, but classic Ryko. Yeah, 9, 13, 15, 17.
Please insert payment now. Please wait.
Oh, it wants a zip code. I can barely reach.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Verify the dash cam is working. Definitely is. You know, it's been a while since I've done one of these. Classic Rykos. Okay. Like, the stoplights didn't light up, so I was a little bit confused there. And yet this one has the onboard dryers as well. Starting out with tri-foam. It is a little bit dark in this bay. I know the XS machines came out in the 2000s. I'm not sure when when this initial Maxx version was released, but I think even these are getting close to pushing 20 years old. Well, maybe more like 15, but... Oh, it's moving the car around a little bit. Man, it was like 10 years ago this time. I'd be watching the Elevator channel posting videos of these things all the time. And I know I was one of many who watched them a lot. Alright, wheel scrubbers, yep. hard to see from my phone. I actually do not remember if I have done this filming combo of my phone plus the dash cam before. So someone may have to correct me on that because I don't pay attention to my videos that much. Oh. Someone else is behind me and they got out. Full on second pass. You know, it's like these machines are getting old, but they are still really solid. Because older Rykos, they just hold up so well. The new ones, not as much. Time for a dryer already? Now. Okay, this is probably our final pass before the dryer. Well, I don't know, that looked like Rain-X stuff. So probably not. Pretty confident this is it now. Nice and slow. it's a 2010s throwback at this point. Did a great job. And they took out the treadles, so that was nice. Yeah, solid car wash. I just need to find a bathroom, but probably not in there. Alright, well, let's figure out where I'm going. But thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.